Hey guys, welcome to the lesson on Fibonacci. All right. Now, if you want to know what Fibonacci means and all that stuff, I would say go Google Fibonacci, and then you will learn everything what you need to learn in regards to the name Fibonacci, where it comes from, and what Fibonacci is exactly, and etc. The only thing I can tell you is how it can improve your trading, how it can help you to really find good entries and to determine where to exit, when to enter, and etc etc. So it really helps a lot. So let me start. So basically, Fibonacci is definitely a tool which you can find here on the left hand side. Is a Fibonacci retracement where it helps you to find the retracement of each trade, right? So it's from point A to point B, right? No, so point B is here. So point A is there. This is point A. This is point B. Okay, so you always do it from wick to wick, yeah, and from higher highs, from the highest point of the trade, right, to the lowest point of the trade. Okay, so for instance, in this case, scenario, if you take this here as a scenario, Fibonacci, like if I now withdraw a Fibonacci from here, okay, it's a bit long, but yeah, just leave it here because it's a bit, I need to go. Okay, here's a good one. So I would draw Fibonacci from here to here again. So if I would do like, this is now an uptrend, right? There's a downtrend. So we'll do like, so now I know there's a downtrend. Like, so of course, if I do downtrend, I would do from bottom to the top. All right. From bottom to top, from here to here, and that's for downtrend. And for uptrend, you do from top to bottom. Okay, so it will be like here. Oops, sorry, the other way around. I don't know what it is, but it's supposed to be top to bottom. I don't know why, it's just a bit weird. So this literally also, like, from here you can see it hits the 78 point level, 61, 50, and 31, and then all the way, so on and so forth. Okay, so this is how we draw the Fibonacci, either from top to bottom or from bottom to top. Okay, so now let's go back again. Fibonacci, boom, presses to top to bottom. Okay, then you can see the numbers. Okay, so each numbers represents like the how big the retracement is. Okay, so basically it went up, it went down all the way here to the top, and it has retraced 38.2%, 50%, 61.8%, 78.6%, and this is the full 100%. Okay, from here, from this black line to that black line represents a full 100%, and everything in between is 38, 50, 60, 61.8, and 78%. All right, so the idea of Fibonacci is that you be able to find the right area of retracement that you can actually enter at the best possible price. Okay, and then once you enter, and then you can have the best entry possible in order for you to do what, to get the most of your position. Okay, to get the most of the trade. Okay, so now, and in reality, you will not be able to know where the 60, 70, 50% is, 78%, or all the stuff. You actually would not know when and how to enter and what is the right time. So I would take a retracement tool, and let's say only this is here, right? So it's all gone. So all you see is literally this and that. So you don't know what to do. You have an idea that we're gonna retrace. Okay, you have an idea that it's gonna go upward, and just to retrace, and then basically to go downwards. Okay, so now the good thing with the Fibonacci tool is, if you here, for instance, we can actually let the price run. Okay, and you need to understand as ABC, right? So the first point, what you need to understand is the A. Okay, this A. Okay, that's the A. You draw from A, then you do draw to B, okay, which is the first point. Yes, from A to B or from A to B. It depends, okay? It's either from A to B all the way down, or from B. From A here would be here. If you go in an uptrend, it will be from A to B. Okay, now we're on a downtrend, and that's what we're going to do. So we're anticipating sells. Okay, we want to place some sell orders, and that's what we're going to do. So we now, for instance, we're just going to play, have a replay button, play around. So now we can see that the structure hasn't been broken. So we know that structure wise, we're still in the right position to sell. Okay, now what happened is, like, I went all the way up as a head and shoulder formation again, all the way up, was not able to break the lower barrier. So since it hasn't break the lower barrier, we can still anticipate a potential buy. Okay, even though we know we're in a sell and a buy environment. Okay, but we do know there's a reversal happening, and we do know because of, with a head and shoulder here, a reversal, didn't break structure, went up, was not able to break this area. So as long as it's not going to break that area here, as long as it's not going to break this area, we still can anticipate like a potential sell-off. Okay, still on the buy, but since we don't really know, we're just going to see what's happening. All right, so you're going to play up, boom. So now we have the first indication. Okay, look, it hit the 50% level. All right, it hit the 50% level, broke through the 38.2 level, hit the 50% level, created like a morning star. Okay, it's willing to go up. Okay, and now we need to figure out where exactly the price is going to move to. So there's a little bit of rejection, boom, keep breaking, so sorry, so keep breaking, you know, it moved all the way here, broke the 50% level at the 61.8. It creates like an evening star, right? We know it didn't break this area. Here is another low. It didn't break this area. Okay, it's a lower low, lower high. It's another lower high here, which is also like a confirmation for us. Okay, and yeah, that's it. Then break the lower high, and then you have the entry here, and then we enter there, and then boom. So that's the C now. Okay, so again, that's A. That's this. So that's A. This is B, and C is the area where there might be a massive retracement. Okay, that's this bump. A, B, and C. All right, that's the C area. A, B, and C. All right. Now, the good thing is, now that we have an idea that's might gonna drop, yeah, then what we're gonna do is definitely. So what we're gonna do is definitely gonna drop this thing from here, and we see like a little bit of a reversal here. So we can see it's gonna go upwards a little bit. So we wait up. Yeah. So sorry. So we're here. All right. We're here, and we know it's going upwards, and however it's also rejecting in the 50% level. Okay, but anyways, in respect of that, we're still gonna anticipate a sell now. Okay, so we go up there, gonna sell, and then you can see it's dropping. All right, so it's coming up again, retesting the 38.2 level. All right, anticipating what? A sell. Okay, so we still anticipate a sell. Boom, it's gonna drop. Okay, boom, it dropped again. Okay, then that's what it is. So it's gonna keep dropping until, you know, we're gonna end. So we can see it is like A, B, C. C is an area of entry. Boom. That's it. That's actually it. That's all what Fibonacci is all about. Okay. That's a good entry opportunity there in order for you to really make it happen. And goes all the way down. Okay. what I also like about Fibonacci, it gives you really a good opportunity to understand the market, the flow of the market. Okay, so now also, let me just stick to the 4 hours. So now we're here. We place a Fibonacci here. So now that one is not invalid. Okay, so now it's a new high. There's new high. So higher, higher low, and new high. All right. So that means we change the Fibonacci. Do again A. B. All right. Let me just do it again from A to B. Okay. Again, the lowest point. All right. And then now we're waiting to see what price is going to do. If price is going to drop instantly or it's going to retrace. Okay. So now we have a new A. Oh, so sorry. We have a new A is here. Boom. Then we have a new B. That's the same actually, to be fair. Boom. Okay. So now we don't know where C is. Okay. So we wait for C to turn out. So we place this one. Boom, 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 boom. So there's no C. Okay, there's no C. All right, there was no C. Okay, so there was like A, B. All right, there was no C. However, what we do know is it was below the 38.2 level. Okay, and yeah, man, it didn't break structure. So all those things will help us actually really to understand of what price is going to do, right? So now, since we're there, again, we go a new A, higher, lower. So it's no here, A, there's a B, see again, there's a A, there's a B, and there's another C. So now with A, B, we wait what's happening here. Boom. So we can see it hit the 50%, 61.8% level, and now it's gonna keep dropping properly. Yeah. And then so basically we have our things here, and then basically we try to drop in here, and as we're dropping, it's going to make sure that we're going to we're going to enter here at the 61.8 level. Okay, then there's like the 50% level rejection, and we're going to drop all the way down to the 27.7 level. Okay, and again, that's how Fibonacci literally works. So like, as long as we know we're in a downtrend, we're just going to continue doing it. Okay, the last lower high, so the last lower high was here, is here, boom, when the last lower low is there, here, and then we're just going to keep pumping. It's like A, B, and then we wait if this either going to reverse or not. Okay, it's not reversing, boom. So then we have another point again, A, B, sorry, A, B. So now we can see here there's a 78 point a area. That's the last lower high. So either it will break here. If it breaks here, then we know we're going to continue up. Okay, so if it's breaking above the 78.6 level, we know it's going to continue up. Boom, it broke, it's going to continue up. Okay, broke, however rejected, returned. Now again, let's see, that's a 61.6% level. Either go up or will go down, depends on market structure. Okay, so it seems like it's gonna go up, it's going down. Yeah, so now it's definitely gonna drop eventually. Yeah, so the point is, with Fibonacci, it gives us a good area of entry, yeah, to know where we want to enter in the market and what we want to do in the market. Okay, so what it is with the Fibonacci situation is that it helps us like to give us like a good entry point. Yeah, it gives a good entry point. Again, we need structure. Sometimes the good thing is like all those ideas I'm giving you, these are ideas who actually work. But sometimes, Fibonacci depends on how the market moves. It doesn't work as much, and sometimes, so that's why you need to combine all of those stuff together in order to really make it work. Okay, so if we go, that's the gold chart. Let us say another one. Let's go to Bitcoin. This is one of my previous trades, or I used to do. Like that's the now Bitcoin I'm on right now. Anyways, okay, this is the prediction I made. I went entered here, so and it's still gonna drop. Okay, so anyways, we're gonna see how it goes. So we go here, some of the Bitcoin Fibonacci again. That would not work here. Okay, let's see. Okay, yeah, here that's a good one. Okay, again that's A, B, C, right? So it's A. Well, let's see where that goes. Okay, that's from A to B. All right, then we can see again A, B, the lowest point. Is it A? And this is B, the lowest point, and then C again 61.8 level. C, and from here again it's gonna go down all the way and retest again at the 50%, and I went all the way down here to the 27 point something level. All right, minus 27 level. So that's how the Fibonacci works. Just you guys need to play around, that you understand good entries, okay, and that should actually change change your whole trading game, trading approach, with all the other stuff, with all the other tools I've been teaching. And all you guys need to do is literally just to play around, put all things together, and then it will make sense at the end. So thank you for your time. Thank you for your trading. I hope I was able to make sense with some things. If not, please ask me, and yeah, we can make things better. Sorry that if I didn't sound so much energetic. It's like I'm a little bit sick, and I'm just trying to get everything done as quick as possible. All right, cool. Thank you guys so much for your time, and bye.